Hey everyone! Keys suddenly stopped working? Don't panic. In this quick fix, I'll show you how to get them working again in under 1 minute. First, go to Settings. Accessibility. Keyboard. Turn on both sticky keys and filter keys. Test your keys. If that doesn't work, go down a little and activate the screen keyboard. With that virtual keyboard, search for Run. Type Regedit and press Enter. Navigate to H key local machine. System. Current control set. Services. i8042 PRT. Double-click and start and change value to 1. Press OK and restart your PC. That's it. Your keys should now work perfectly. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next one.